G'day everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Home Brew. Today I'm going to talk about StellarSan, the sanitizer I use for all of my equipment. So a lot of you out there ask me how I sanitize my stuff, and I pretty much say I use StellarSan for everything. Now StellarSan is a lot like StellarSan, it's the American version. This is a keg version of a sanitizer. Works brilliantly. The question was, does the flavour of this get into the beers? No, it doesn't. It doesn't at all. It also has dodecyl benzene sulfonic acid in it, which is about 15% of it. So the phosphoric acid is about 50%, and the dodecyl benzene sulfonic acid is 15%. It also says it has inert proprietary ingredients. I don't know what they are, it doesn't say. But the thing is, it works, and that's what I care about. So what I do is I follow the instructions down to a T. It does have a little measuring window that allows you to determine how much sanitizer you have in it. What we do is we loosen the lid of the pouring side, squeeze the bottle to fill it up to the chamber I need to do. Now I'm going to make 20 litres of sanitizer, so I have to fill it up to that 15 ml line twice. So I've got 30 ml in a 20 litre batch of water. So I'll do that right now. I'll get my little measuring jug, which I'm using. I'll show you what I use. This is it here. This is one I got from 8 Stacks Brewing. It is exactly 20 litres, so it's great to use, and I can store my sanitizer in it for a little while. So it's really effective for that. Once I fill it up, I'll show you what I do. Now the dodecyl benzene sulfonic acid is basically it's an acid as well, but it's also a foaming agent. What they do is add dodecyl benzene sulfonic acid to it, so it actually foams up, sticks to the sides, and a couple of other agents to do the same thing. It is very, very safe to use in the lowest doses that we do it in. So let's get on with it. So what we have now effectively is 20 litres of water, just plain tap water. I've measured out, as you saw in the start of the video, 30 ml of StellarSan. Now all we need to do now is pour it in. Now the reason why we pour it in after filling with water basically is because this foams up big time. So if you try to fill this after filling it with StellarSan, you'll get foam everywhere and hardly any water in the bucket. So this is the best way to do it without making a mess. So that's pretty much how it goes. What I'll do is I'll take some of this and I'll put it into a bottle. Just use a funnel and I'll pour it into a bottle. I will probably use a siphon and just quickly siphon it into a bottle. Just something to pick it up out of the bottle. Doesn't matter. I'm just going to get it into a squirt bottle. Is that all right? With the squirt bottle, I'll get it. So this is the bottle I use. All I do is have it ready at hand to spray. I'll show you some video of me using it on any item I have that needs to be sanitized before touching the wort. And that is vital when you're brewing. If you don't use sanitizer during brewing, you need to pasteurize, or how would you say? You need to boil your equipment. And a lot of equipment can't be boiled, especially plastic ones. They'll warp and bend and get out of shape. So this is the next most effective way of doing it. Boil in the water for 15 minutes. And then pouring it onto the surface of any item that you want to brew with, as long as your item can handle the heat. If it can't handle the heat, this is the next best thing. Just remember, the dodecyl benzene sulfonic acid can harm your skins. It actually can eat through your skin if you're not careful. You know, if you're careful, you'll be able to do it without wearing gloves. Remember, this product is highly concentrated. So basically, when you put it in your brew, the measurement would be 1.5 to 1,000. So does that help? You're looking at 3 to 2,000 in ratio. It really won't harm you at all, and it won't affect the flavour of your beer. So I hope this is helpful, guys. I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. See you then.